Hey guys, it's Amanda. In this video, I will explain how to create your own signature in your Gmail account. So let's get started. First, you need to open your Gmail account by going to the Gmail website and signing in with your email address and password. Click on the gear icon, which is located in the upper right corner of your Gmail inbox. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings, which you can see directly here. When you are in the General tab, scroll all the way down until you find the Signature section. There you find the button Create New, and of course you need to click on it. When that's done, you see you need to give your new signature a name. In my case, that would be Amanda. Now, as you can see, you can type everything you want in this field. You can use the text box to compose your signature. You can include your name, contact information, job title, or any other information you want to include in your signature. You can also add links, change text styles, and insert images if you like, which you can find here. When you are done, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click the Save Changes button to save your signature. Well, that's it. As easy as it can be. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. See ya.